Hey guys, I'm going to show you right now how you can make your favorite topping, chocolate cookie crumb, into a pie crust. It's so easy, there is no bacon required, it's all egg-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, nothing artificial ever, using only the highest quality and organic ingredients. So you can purchase these chocolate cookie crumb bags. They're also available in vanilla flavor if you would prefer that. Then we're gonna do this one with coconut oil. And then all the other ingredient is Revival ice cream. So choose your favorite flavor until it's really nicely wet, just with your hand. You have your pie dish ready. And you can press it with your hand, make sure it's pressed in evenly. And since this is already baked, all you need to do is put it in a refrigerator to firm it up. You can even put it in a freezer. You can also use back of the measuring cup or cup. I like to do things with my hands so I can really feel it. The ice cream is already sitting out. We want it to be nice and soft before we scoop it into the pie. So now that your cookie crumb is solid, it's nicely chilled. I just put it in the freezer for 5 minutes with coconut oil. It's really quick. You have your favorite flavor of Revival ice cream. I chose Cocoa Dream. It's completely vegan, always gluten-free. Gently, with the back of the spoon, press it in. Let your imagination go wild and you can top it with whatever you want. So I chose bananas for this one. And I have another bag of chocolate cookie crumb. And you can just top it off. Handcrafted ice cream pie using the best ingredients, nothing artificial ever, all egg-free, gluten-free. Ice cream pie you can definitely feel great about eating and creating beautiful memories with your friends, family,